Hello friends, let us see more topics of coordinate geometry. Today's topic is area of triangle. Before this, we have already done the distance formula and section formula in our previous videos. Today we will learn area of a triangle. From geometry, we know that the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height, the altitude of the triangle. Now, we find the area if we know the vertices of that triangle. They are given to us. We take A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 as the vertices of any triangle, and with these vertices the formula for the area of a triangle is area of triangle, the symbol is delta. The triangle is equal to 1 by 2 bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 bracket close. We can apply this formula to calculate the area of triangle. Let us see and learn this with the help of example 1. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are A 5, 2, B 4, 7, C 7, minus 4. The three vertices are given to us and we have to find out the area of triangle. Here we write down x1, x2, x3 as the abscissa of A, B and C, means x1 is 5, x2 is 4 and x3 is 7. Similarly, the ordinate value of A, B and C, that will give us y1, y2 and y3. This we have already done in previous videos. y1 will be 2, y2 is 7 and y3 is minus 4. Now we apply the area formula. Area is equal to 1 by 2 bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 bracket close. And substituting the values, we have area is equal to 1 by 2 bracket 5 into 7 minus 4 plus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 plus 7 into 2 minus 7. These are the values we have already written here, is equal to half outside the bracket 5 into 11. 7 minus 4 becomes 7 plus 4. So it is 5 into 11 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 7 into minus 5. And doing the multiplication now, we have area is equal to 1 by 2, 55 minus 24 minus 35, and net it becomes 1 by 2 into 55 minus 59. So total is minus 4. Into half means minus 4 by 2 is equal to, after cancellation we have 2 of negative. Since it is the area means some space occupied, so it cannot be negative. We take the magnitude value only and reject the negative sign. Therefore the area of this triangle with the points A, B and C will be 2 units. Area is equal to 2 square units. So friends, in this way we can find out the area of triangle when we know all the three vertices of it. See, to learn the formula, it is quite easy. The total value is multiplied by half, and inside the bracket we have x1, x2 and x3, the separate values, and the small brackets have the differences of y coordinates. You have to learn this formula well and only then we can do the sums. In our next video, we will practice more sums. Till then, you do these sums from your course book, and for any queries, write to us in the comment box. To see our next video, subscribe our channel and press the bell button for the notifications. That is all for today. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.